In today's video, I'm going to teach you a quick and straightforward method to collaborate using Google Keep. Whether you're organizing a project, sharing grocery lists, or planning an event, Google Keep is an excellent tool for collaboration and note-taking. To get started, the first thing you'll want to do is head over to Google Keep. You can easily access it from any device by navigating to the website or opening the app if you have it installed. Once you're there, you're all set to create a new note, which will serve as a shared space for you and your collaborators. Next, look for the Take a Note option. Clicking on this will allow you to start a new note. It's a simple action that opens up a blank note where you can jot down anything that's on your mind. From ideas and checklists to reminders and links, this is your canvas. The interface is intuitive, making it easy for anyone to pick up and use without any steep learning curve. Once your note is open and ready, the magic happens when you click on the Collaborator icon. This feature lets you invite others by inputting their email addresses. It's as easy as typing in the email of the person or people you want to share your note with. This is especially useful for team members at work, classmates working on group projects, or even just family members organizing a holiday plan. Inviting collaborators turns your solo note into a shared space for brainstorming and planning, enabling real-time updates and inputs from everyone involved. After adding your collaborators, you're essentially done. The process is seamless and will significantly boost productivity through collaborative efforts. Your collaborators will receive an email invitation to join the note, allowing them to view and edit its contents along with you. It's a fantastic way to keep everyone on the same page, literally and figuratively. While these steps are simple, using Google Keep effectively can transform how you manage tasks and share information. A few additional tips to get the most out of it. Consider using labels to categorize your notes, set reminders for time-sensitive tasks, and make good use of checklists to keep track of your to-dos. That's it. You now know how to share and collaborate using Google Keep. It's a powerful tool for both personal and professional environments, making it easier to stay organized and communicate effectively with your team or group. Keep practicing these steps, and you'll soon wonder how you ever managed without it. Happy note-taking and enjoy the seamless collaboration that Google Keep facilitates.